In this video, you'll learn how to draw a kangaroo mama with her adorable little Joey. Step by step. We'll make it fun and easy for everyone. You know, I used to find drawing animals challenging until I started to look at them as stick figures. Well, how to do that? I used to Google images of their skeleton and see how the bones were put together. All of a sudden, drawing became more than just drawing. It became a way of learning about my subject, about how it grows, what makes it tick, and how it lives. And this makes everything even more interesting. If I could then create a stick figure out of this, I'd be well on my way to getting a drawing. Now, making a line 16 centimeters long so that we can cut it in half and in quarters. At the 8 centimeter mark, there'll be another 8 centimeter line across. The head will go up in the top section just as a triangle, and then we'll knock off the corners. The neck, the spine, and then the tail. Let's put in a shape for the chest. And now a big circle for the bulk of the leg. At this point we have a pelvis, and now we can draw out the legs. At the top point, the scapula, we now have the front legs. I keep on wanting to call them arms, but they're front legs. There we go. Now let's come in with the pencil and start with the eye. Now a little V around the eye like eyelashes. A little hump over the eye, and then follow our shape. Now let's do an S shape. The top of the S will be for the nose and the bottom will be the mouth. The cheekbone and a contour line that suggests the roundness of the cheek. The ears can be like little diamonds with rounded edges. Now the neck and the back of the neck. Moving on to the front legs. I find them quite tricky, so I've put in a circle joint for the shoulder and another one in the elbow. And their little paws and claws. Time to put some meat on those legs. They have 3 big toes, but there you go. Coming up for the leg and around again. Another leg, they jump better with 2. But there's our mama, kangaroo. Oops, I started rubbing out before I put the marker on, so I'd better fix that now. I'll start in the messy area first. Just before I speed it up a little with some nice background music, I thought I'd let you know that I didn't actually have a reference photo for my kangaroos. I had many reference photos, none of which were exactly like this. So the moral to this story is that a little bit of basic anatomy, stick figures, lines, just what we did, and you can draw anything any way you want. So this kangaroo, the big legs, the little legs, the chest and the head as a triangle, and there you go, you can do this. Let me know in the comments if you've given it a go. Let me know what you think. I'd like to invite you to subscribe and like this video if you got something out of it. And now we're going to go on to the Joey. Now let's start with Joey. So a little circle for the head and a smaller circle for his cute little button nose. A spine and a tail. A chest Oh, not that big, smaller and a bit flat in front. That's the key. And a circle for his hind legs. That's where the pelvis is. And now a back to front Z for his legs. He needs 2. And his front legs so that he can reach mum. And some ears so that he can listen to mum, hear mum, love mum. Coming in with the pencil now, the little S that we did for the nose and the mouth. And even though I did 2 circles, he's still got a triangular head. The ears are like little kites or diamonds. The back of the head and the tail. The chest and the tummy. But I'll do the legs first, so the legs will be in front. There, he's so cute. And now for his front legs. I always want to say arms, but no, okay, there they are. And his claws. Now with the marker. I'll speed it up a little. Just adding the marker and making some little adjustments here and there. You know, if I could have, I would have made Mama's back a little bit rounder, but there you go, there's always next time.